We are replacing the stock halogen side marker lights in this 2015 Toyota Prius with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. There are no tools needed for this installation. The side marker lights are these here, and access to the bulbs is under the hood. The side marker bulb is easy to reach, but difficult to see because of where it is located. Grab the back of the bulb and turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, and pull it straight from the housing. To remove the bulb, simply pull it from the socket. If we compare the stock halogen to the new LED, you'll see that they are about the same size, and the bases are exactly the same, making for an easy plug-and-play installation. To install the new LED bulb, just plug it directly into the socket. One thing to note before reinstalling the light back into the housing. The one tab that is the largest will be facing up when the bulb is locked in. So when we install the bulb, this tab will be at about the 9 o'clock position until we turn it clockwise to lock it in. Then the tab will be at the top. It's recommended you test everything before putting it back together. Now we can see side by side the difference in brightness and color between the new LED and the standard halogen. We will follow the same steps for the other side. Grab the back of the bulb and turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Remove it from the housing and pull the bulb straight from the socket to remove it. Replace with the plug-and-play LED and reinstall back into the housing, making sure the large tab will be at the top. Now the installation is complete. Let's now see both the side marker lights that have been upgraded to the new LED lights from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.